There is a universal acceptance. When we talk about the top productivity software, the only software or the only suite that comes in everybody's mind is Microsoft Office. There is no competition, period. Well, in this channel, we generally talk about iPad productivity, and we also made one video previously of how one can download and install Microsoft Office. In this video, I will talk about how you can buy Office, and then we will also talk about some of method how you can get it for free or you can avail extra discount. Okay, so just quick, I'm gonna mention these 7 different programs that is currently running. Well, if you would like to avail some of these, I'm gonna quickly mention all these different Office program that is running that you can utilize to avail extra discount. The first one is Microsoft Home Use Program. So if you are, let's say, working in a company where your company use Microsoft Office environment or Microsoft Office suite, which I would say is true in most of scenario, then you can avail this program and get Microsoft Office at discounted price. Then there is a student discount, non-profit program. With the help of Home, you're gonna get Office for completely free. Then there is military and veteran discount, volume licensing for business, which I would say most of us who don't have a large enterprise may not able to avail. Then sometime there is a bundled offer. Maybe you are buying new iPad or new, let's say, PC. Sometimes we see that Office also comes bundled with it. And then sometimes there is a country specific subsidized pricing, especially for emerging countries. We see Microsoft itself offer extra discount. So I was thinking of it is worth mentioning about all these different programs before I jump into my computer screen and show you how you can buy it. So if you fall in any of these categories, check out the link that I have provided in the description of this video. Just visit that link and buy the Office. Okay, so here you can see I am in my computer screen and right now I am using PC. But trust me, it really doesn't matter whether you are buying Office from PC or from Mac. So if you have Mac, you still can follow us along. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna type buy Microsoft Office. Okay, and there is a reason why I am asking you to buy directly from Microsoft rather than buying, let's say, from App Store or any other store, because first of all, you will be applicable for all those 7 programs or 7 discounting method that we just discussed before. And again, it's not like the Office is only available for iPad. I mean, when you buy Office, especially I'm talking about Office 365, and then the variant can be family, personal, or even business. You can install one license in 5 devices, and especially since this is more specific to iPad. So I just wanted to mention, apart from iPad, you can also install it in 5 different devices. Okay, so here again, you do not need to fall in a trap where you're gonna get Office at a very discounted price, because these keys can be shady, or I don't know what will happen when, let's say, you require support from Microsoft. That time, this will not work. So just visit Microsoft.com. So this is my recommendation. Do not fall on a trap where you're gonna get key, let's say, at $1 or $5. There are so many websites that are offering key at such discount. So for sure there could be genuine concern how they are selling at dirt cheap price. Okay, so here you can see this is the site, and based on the region you're gonna see the price in different currency, and also I'm gonna provide this link in the description of this video. Now, all you need to do is you need to select the version that you would like to go for. For example, you are a home user, so you can get these version of Office, or you are a business user, then you can tab here for business, and then you're gonna see all these different variants. So if you want to run Microsoft Office apps on your iPad, do not buy this version, okay? Because this version doesn't come with offline apps. Start with this version that include the desktop version of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Okay, so here we can see we have got these 4 versions, which I would say is good enough for small to medium size enterprise. When we talk about this particular version doesn't comes with desktop version of Office. But let's say you enjoy Microsoft Office for web more, then you may choose this version, because this version doesn't comes with desktop version of Office, which means that you may not able to install Office apps in your desktop, whether it is Mac or Windows. However, there is a catch. You still can install Office apps in your iPad. So that's really nice, I would say. All you need to do here is you need to click on buy now, or you also have got this 1 month of free trial. But most of my viewers, I'm assuming that are home user. So I'm going to click here for home. And let's say you are buying it for one user for personal purpose, then you can click here on buy now. And then there are actually two options. Either you can pay it yearly or you can also pay monthly. So it is totally up to you how you'd like to pay. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select this paid yearly and then let's click on buy now. And then you will see this screen where what we need to do is either you need to sign in or you need to create Microsoft account. So if you already have Microsoft account, simply sign in and then buy it, or you can click on create an account, put your email address, then click on next, and then you need to verify your account. So simply verify, and I would say the process of signing up is straightforward. Just sign up, and then after you successfully signed up, click on sign in and then use your credentials. And then you can also keep yourself logged in by clicking here on yes. And now here we go. Here we can see we can purchase Microsoft Office license. Since I already did it, so that's why it is asking me to upgrade. So if I click on upgrade, then probably it will take me to another confirmation page. And once I confirm it, and then here I need to make a payment, and that's how one can subscribe or buy Microsoft Office. So what next after you have made a payment? So let's type office.com and let's click on sign in. And here I'm gonna sign in using my same ID with the help of home. I bought Microsoft Office, and there we go. So here I can see, so it shows me 1 terabyte of space, which is kind of sign that I have successfully bought Microsoft Office. So in this way, we just explore Office in web. Now let's jump into our iPad screen, and I'm gonna show you how to activate in your iPad. Okay, so now here you can see my iPad screen, and let's quickly visit App Store. So once we visit App Store, look for Office 365. Now after that, what we need to do is we need to install Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, and here you can see I already have installed them. You can also install Microsoft 365 Office Copilot. So this is also, I would say, part of Office. And when you do this for the first time, this is the way how you're gonna see the things. And then it is also asking us if we would like to add Copilot. So I'm going to click on add, and there we go. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to actually close this, and I will open any Office app, for example, Word. Now here all you need to do is you need to sign in. I'm going to use the same credential with the help of home. We just purchased Microsoft Office. So I'm going to type my same credential here. After entering your credential, tap on sign in. Now it is also asking us if you would like to sign in faster. Maybe we can use device security, which is face credential in this case. So it's up to you if you would like to use them. So I'm gonna say yes, next. And then here we can see we have option to use Face ID. So I'm gonna click on continue. And it just created passkey as well. So now let's click OK. And finally here we can see we have successfully signed in. Now all you need to do is you need to click on new document and you can enjoy Microsoft Office. And of course Office comes with so many other apps, feature and functionality. If you would like to see them, all you need to do here is again you can tap on this left side grid button where you can see most of popular app that you have. If you'd like to see all the apps that you can access, for that you can tap on view all Microsoft apps, which actually redirected us to this app store. I would suggest you, it would be better to see all the Office apps by visiting office.com and then click on all apps. But we can still see all the major app directly here. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to iPad Essential for more such iPad related tips and tricks. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.